We are LoopPerfect, and we are revolutionizing software engineering. My name is Nick, and I've been developing games since I was 11 years old. I've been lucky enough to do something that I love for a living. But there's one thing that every game developer will tell you that they hate: recompiling code. The last game I worked on was called Size Does Matter. And it's not what you're thinking. The single biggest headache that we had was seeing our code changes reflected quickly in the running game. We each lost easily an hour every day just waiting for the game to build. Every game developer knows this process. Make a change, recompile, wait, and finally see if it worked. At EF, I met Gaetano and learned that he had the exact same experience in the CAD/CAM industry. In fact, it was even worse. He would have to wait 30 minutes after every single change. Any programmer using C++, Java, Scala, C#, and a list too long to mention here, deals with this problem. It is impossible to see the code changes you have made reflected in a running application without stopping and recompiling. It's like rebuilding your entire house every time you want to repaint a bedroom. We started where this problem is the biggest: C++. C++ is everywhere. Operating systems, game engines, CAD/CAM, machine learning, Internet of Things. 1.3 million C++ developers are wasting up to 350 million hours dealing with this problem. That's 10 billion pounds in lost productivity. We have solved this problem with a just-in-time compiler for C++. With our technology, changes are integrated into a running application, removing the need to stop and recompile. We announced our prototype 4 months ago and received 500 beta signups in 24 hours. But the product was early, and some developers weren't convinced that it was feasible. We had to prove that we had solved this 30-year-old problem. So we built a fully working demo for the web. We released 2 weeks ago, and now they believe us. 3,800 users on day one, and companies are contacting us to see how they can integrate our technology. Our product makes every C++ developer more productive every time they write a line of code. The market opportunity for this is huge. If 10% of C++ developers subscribe to our product, then we will be generating £100 million revenue every year. So why are we the right team to achieve this? Well, to build your own compiler, you have to be a special kind of crazy. When Gaetano was faced with this problem in the CAD/CAM industry, he quit his job to develop a prototype. He's a trained mathematician and an expert software architect. I'm a BAFTA award-winning game developer, and I've lost weeks of my life dealing with this problem. Previously, I worked at Barclays Capital on developer tools for analyzing big data. Together, we are raising $350K to turn our prototype into a polished product and shape the future of software engineering. Come talk to us and see a live demo.